Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a while. Have you all been? Oh my goodness, this lockdown, quarantine, everyone is coping differently. How are you coping? Alright, so today I'm just coming with a new edition. It's not a new, it's an addition to the ankara, the chitenge ankara wrap around. So that's video. A lot of people are saying we need more details on how we can do it, because a lot of people are interested in this type of style. So you have the top and the wrap around. It may be tricky for beginner, but the more you get used to it, the more you love it, you feel comfortable wearing it, and it's very modest outwear. Traditionally is a modest wear for most of African, not everyone, and also Western people. All right, so you may wonder why I have this. So I use this as an example for those who have kids. You can use the spray wrapper the back to wrap the back of your kids. All right, let's start with that one, the simplest things to do. All right, so baby's crying. Oh, and I'm in the middle of doing something. How can I do this? If you carry the baby like this, just like this, you'll just be staying at home doing nothing, and then you'll be having some excuse. I couldn't do anything because the baby was crying. Oh, so with the same fashion, with these, you can do almost everything while you carry with your baby at home. Let's do it. Okay, I know what to do. All right, you have your chitenge. You may be wearing one, just like this, and then you go quick to take a spare one so that you can use it. So what I do is just like this. You just put the chitenge face, and then you do like this. It depends on the weight of the baby, how you can manage it, and then you'll be carrying the baby like this. All right, it's heavy. Can be like some that like 2 months, 3 months. It depends on the culture really. Some that are 3 months, others 1 month, others few weeks. You can carry a baby up to 1 year, 2 years. It depends on the weight and how comfortable it is. All right, so baby, you're crying, oh, and I'm cooking. All right, let me put you on my back. So I'm putting the baby on my back. All right, oh, I can't reach. You can reach, you can do this. All right, this is just an example on how you can do it. And then you just use your 2 hands to do what? To support your baby so they don't fall down. You just do like this, and then slippery, and then just you maneuver it like that, and then like this. All right, and then just see if all the hands are just inside them inside, and then here. All right, okay, the baby is almost there. Yes, just have a look if it's very secure enough, and then you start like this. Now you can stand because of already you have it. yes, I'm experienced one telling me what to do. It's very good. All right, so the baby is fully secured, and yeah. All right, sorry. So I have to put the chitenge. Yes, mommy, thank you. So the chitenge have to come all over to the neck, and then after you secure it, you do like this. You just cover the first one, and then the next one will you just take the legs, just put them around, and Yes. Thank you, mommy. All right. Like this. Just twist it. Twist and twist. And then we just hold it there. Fold it there. So because of the weather, if it's too cold, you can insert the baby's legs inside when it's too cold. But it depends on the age as well. Just put it inside and then it will be comfortable enough and warm and everything. But if it's in summertime, you can just put them out, because otherwise it will be too hot for the kids. Let's put them out. And yeah, so there's a lot of ways to do it, but I was just showing you as an example on what to do with the spare chitenge wrap. So let's get started to the wraparound things. All right, baby. Now, because the baby was on my back, I can manage other things. All right, let me do it. Let me manage other things. You've already seen what I said. I just want to show you how I can manage other things while the baby is on my back. Now I can take something. All right, suppose this is a plate. I want to cook. I can go and cook. Can just be doing this if the baby is crying. Yeah. And then a few minutes, few hours. Oh, the baby is going to sleep. All right, those are techniques. So if you can do it, why not? All right, it depends also how fit you are. Otherwise, your back. All right, safety first. If you can do it, maybe you can check with your doctor if you are able to carry a baby at your back. Check first, safety first, because everyone is different. You can do it, but check with your doctor if you have some healthy problem and see if you can do it. Okay, baby, now I think you're already sleeping, so the baby's sleeping. All right, so now I can do my other stuff. All right, baby, nice. All right, I love you. See ya. Let me cook, because the kids are coming from school very soon. All right, so you want me to show you before it's too late? So, all right, this is a size 10 actually, and it's still on sale. Sorry, I'm just using it for a demonstration. So if you want it, I can give you a discount because it's already worn by me. All right, so the first step, because the first one I went quick and people were like, I watched the video but I didn't get it. Can you please make